Good afternoon, students. I am welcoming you all in Class 5 Social Science. I am Abhimanyu Singh. I will teach you your Social Science Block 1 Shifting Families. I am dividing this video into two parts. Your first part is short revision of the Block 1, and your second part is discussion of practice questions. Shifting families. You know very well, families are shifting from joint family to nuclear families. You know the reason why? Yes. Among the many reasons, there is one very important reason in order to shift families from joint to nuclear is migration. Migration is families move out of their hometown to settle in a new place, leaving their relatives behind. Now, why families migrate? Students, families are migrating in order to get better school, better living standard, good weather. We know very well in villages we don't have good school, we don't have good roads and other basic facilities. But in big towns and cities, we have good schools, good roads, good transport, and good weather and other favorable conditions. So it is a very big reason that families are migrating towards good big cities. Also, there is another reason, natural disaster like flood, earthquake, construction of dams, due to which families are shifting or migrating from villages or their native places to other places. Demolishing slums is also one reason that due to which families have to migrate. There are many problems that families have to face after migration. These problems are language problem, travel long distance for office, schools or market, climate, and small apartments. In your uh, block, you might have learned all these things, but in short, I am again explaining you. In new places, there is always people are facing the language problem. Like if anyone comes from the Uttar Pradesh uh, and reach Mumbai, so there is always a language problem that that person have to face. Also, in Mumbai, we know very well all the places are at very far distance, so people have to travel long distance for their daily basic needs. Also, sometimes people get problem to accommodate with new climate or weather conditions. Also, uh, houses in big cities are usually very small, one or two room, 2 BHK houses. Practice questions. This is our second part, students. And in order to learn this second part, you can pause this video and you can bring your content book, volume 1, and then sit and then you can do this with me. Okay, students. Question 1. Filling the blanks. Most people live in a family. B. There are more nuclear families in cities today. C, we would find more joint families in villages. D, migration means moving permanently to another place. E, people may be forced to migrate to a new place in case of a war, drought, or flood. Question number 2. In which type of a family would you like to live and why? So the student, this answer depends on you. You can write what you are feeling or what your condition is right now accordingly. Answer number 3. Write three disadvantages of a joint family. Students, the three disadvantages are: first, decisions may be taken only by a few people. As you know very well, there are many person in a joint family. So the decision taking power is held by few people in the family. B, it may not be possible to eat food according to one's personal choice because of many members in the joint family. C, it may not be possible to do many things independently. Question number 4. Write two advantages of a nuclear family. Students, two advantages are: everyone can be a part of taking decisions because of a small family or less number of members in a nuclear family. B1 is food. Food, food can be cooked according to individual taste. Next, question number 5. Why do we have more nuclear families in cities today? The reason behind more nuclear families in cities are: the houses are small to live in. B, usually old parents may not come to cities with their children. So these are the two important uh, reasons behind nuclear families in cities. Question number 6. Explain why people migrate to other places. The reason behind migration of peoples are: people are usually migrating to find a job, sometimes on losing homes in a natural disaster like earthquake uh, or flood, sometimes in a war-like situation, or sometimes due to construction of dams. Question number 7. Describe the problems that a family may face when they migrate to another place. The major problems that a family can face on migration are: the families are not able to find house. Yes. It is difficult to find a decent job. Yes. They may not be able to speak local language. They have to travel long distance for office, school, market, etc. And sometimes it is difficult to adjust with the climate. Question number 8. Living in a joint family is better for children than living in a small family. Do you agree? Give reasons for your answer. This answer also depends on the students. Student can write according to their condition. So this is your PQ session, and all students should attempt and write the answers in your individual notebooks. Thank you.